Jim McGuire. I work for General Dynamics in Anniston, Alabama, manufacturing engineer for around 30 years. We are primarily aerospace and defense. We use the milling chucks, Lyndex milling chucks, tool holders, tapping heads, shrink fit tool holders, all the milling components that Lyndex offers. The quality of the Lyndex product has always been something you can count on. Everything works, it works the first time. We know it's versatile across all machining platforms. Shrink fits offer versatility. They last quite a long time, as some in the industry do not last near as long. Lyndex offers a pretty good product. They seem to last a little bit longer. The quality of them holding up over time has been exemplary. The Mini-Minis we use along side to side with the shrink fit holders. The Mini-Minis we primarily use to control the harmonics if vibration does become a problem, but basically side to side work with both of those. Both those products work hand in hand together. Like I said, the milling chucks, they last quite a long time. Their accuracy, you take them out of the box and they're just going to last. The durability is incredible. The quality is fantastic. Never a question with the quality and the durability. I have worked with Lyndex for a little over 30 years, and their customer support is absolutely second to none. It's been exemplary. But the product speaks for itself. They align with our business unit. The product is fantastic. All our customer support has been just unbelievable. Across the board, even down into the tool setting and measurement category, everything has been exemplary. It's been phenomenal.